Alright, well, it finally happened. Real quick too, I'm sorry I have not made any videos of late. I have been super busy. Work's been having me tied down and I had some time off today. I came out. You can see the roads right here and my first target of the day. I'll show you what I got in my scoop. It's a nice little picker. Chunky chunk. Right there. Little quarter grammer maybe. But yeah, first target. Can't complain. Awesome. Super stoked, and I have the GoPro today. I'm gonna basically just kind of try to make it interesting and fun. I'm really enjoying making these videos. I'm trying to get better. But anyway, let me show you here. I'm just basically on like an old tailing pile, and I noticed these bedrock pieces right here, and I just started hitting it up in the rocks, and I just started freaking detecting it, and I'm gonna have to go at it some more. But there's the piece, first one of the day, first target of the day. I mean, I just got here. Here's a quick little area that where I'm at. It's actually an RGM claim, so I'll post a video. We've been here camping before, but yeah, right here, here's the road, and piece of gold. Hell yeah, that's what it's about. Alright, welcome back. I hope I guess this is the right way. If I'm upside down, I won't make a video, but I'm going to show you. I got my prettiest nugget. The biggest one so far. It looks like a Stegosaurus dinosaur. I think that thing looks rad. That's bitchin'. Yeah, right here, SDC 2300. Scored 10-4. Yes, sir. It's good day. Alright, hey, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to show you a little bit more here. Hillside looks like these dead trees. That's crazy. Poor guys, probably frying to death in the sun. You can see me. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to do a quick little show and tell at the car, and then I'll do a weigh-in, and then I'll wrap up the video and edit it. And I got a new editing platform, so hopefully it goes well. I can edit some stuff and add some stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching again. Hope you had as much fun as I did. You know, nothing like a day out prospecting. I mean, it's hard work, but it's fun. It's not like sitting in a blind or anything like that. It's pretty intense work. So yeah, let's check this out again, and talk to you later. Thank you. All right, real quick, here's my gold for the day. There's 4 little pieces and 1.18, and a little woozy aroundsy there, 1.19 I guess, 1.2, almost a pennyweight, getting there. Thanks for watching. It was great, real fun making the video, and have to do another one shortly. Thanks.